Figment.
This is so cool.
I love it.
We do have that.
We have that, lights up.
We do have that.
We showed that in our video with the mugs one time, I think. Nice.
Beautiful
We
hat.
should link that above with the
Oh, which one?
video with the this in it, with the where it lights up.
We have a video?
Yeah.
I find it a little interesting. Like it's just like a like
What?
do I put something in that or
Probably. A little pocket.
interesting. This is huge.
I know, right? It goes all the way back.
Right.
There's Sleepy Figment.
Yeah.
They actually have it somewhere else besides the ride.
I know, right? He's cute.
Yeah. That's kind of why I'm tired. Look like this. Look, you got the tie-dye bag.
I know, I like the backpack. I really want to find the hat, but
It might be here.
maybe. I've always been a fan of this sweatshirt. I don't know if I would ever buy it, but just because it has like Figment's hood.
Yeah, it's cool. This is almost better than
World of Disney?
World of Disney last night.
Yeah.
Your jewelry.
I love how you can dress these up. Look, they have a spirit jersey. Oh my god, look.
Yeah.
These are so cute.
We have Donnie.
We do have Donald, we do.
They didn't make a goofy one yet.
No. I don't know if I would dress Donald up though, but
Yeah.
I like him. He's cute.
Nice.
Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
I'm just into this tie-dye thing lately. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think it's adorable. What is the other line of like the new EPCOT stuff?
Wow, look at that jacket.
Oh my goodness. It's heavier than it's only $80. I actually expected this to be more.
Yeah.
Because this material, I'm telling you, this material is not cheapy material.
Yeah.
Like it's heavy.
Yeah.
It says EPCOT like on the back.
That's cool.
This is a good get, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. 2 guests per mug.
I like it.
Yeah.
I just like it. I don't think I would wear it, but I like it. Like it's kind of annoying that I wouldn't wear it, but I like it.
Ooh.
It has EPCOT on
Oh yeah.
the. See?
Yeah, I like that.
$20.
Glass is always hard.
$20.
Yeah, not bad. Kind of like the mug behind you, the coffee, water.
Tumbler?
Yeah, tumbler. That's the word I was looking for. Nice. Is that lighter? That's light though.
It's very light. Well, it's see-through too. But it has the EPCOT logo on the
Okay.
sleeve, and then the hood, which is also light.
Oh,
It has EPCOT on it. But like I said, look,
nice.
like
Yeah,
super
see-through.
see-through. For $65.
Not bad.
No.
Jackets? Not bad price. Oh, that looks nice.
I'm not gonna lie.
What?
I didn't read, and I'm like, what is this? And it took me like forever to see.
It shines colors, like when you look at it.
Yeah, it does.
That's cool.
But a puzzle.
Oh, I like that one.
Why is this not for
Wow.
adults?
Maybe somewhere over there.
This is not for adults, but this is so.
Oh yeah.
Is it
Low-
weird if I buy something like this for Jagger and wait like 5
No.
years before he wears it?
Get it now. Ooh, there's the shirt you like. Nice.
I mean, you would get this dirty, right? No offense.
I wouldn't wear it.
You
It's
wouldn't
white.
wear it?
It's white.
But that's what I'm saying. I know you wouldn't wear
Yeah,
it.
I wear it to bed.
Okay, and it is $36.99.
Not bad.
It's not bad at all.
The hat's cool.
I know. I don't know if you would wear this though. So it feels a little plasticky, which I think it looks like that too.
Yeah.
But I like it. It's cute.
I like it. What is this?
I know, for food and wine.
Oh my god.
It's a pass holder merch.
I love it.
I do too, actually. I kind of want it. How much is it? Like, $55. But it's a sweatshirt. It's pretty heavy, actually, too. Well, no, it's not. Just kidding. That was
The
popular.
logo is cool. We got these huge.
Oh, it's down here, too.
Got it there. We got it on a mug.
Yeah. People mover.
Whoa. I like that. Never seen that before. Right?
Yeah, right? Look at that. How cool
Oh, I
is
like that. We might have to buy that.
Are you even going to use it, though?
Yeah, it worked.
It's $27.99.
Still
That's
not
not
water.
bad. It's,
I like that.
It's heavy.
This is nice too.
Yeah.
What do you see over here? A tiki?
Yeah, look. It's a towel.
Wow.
It's a tiki room. It's a beach towel. Isn't that funny?
Cool.
I think it's adorable.
And they got what, 7 doors mine chain too, or 7 just 7
I think
doors?
just 7 doors. Which is pretty old school because you don't see a lot of
Yeah.
white stuff like ever anymore.
Mm.
That's cute too.
Oh, this is something cool. Wow.
Do you want it?
I think I kind of like it. I mean, what do you think?
I mean, it's really cool. I just want to make sure you use it. Because you buy mugs and they sit there.
Yeah.
Which is a great collection, but
Yeah.
you know.
Maybe, we'll see.
Okay. Not sure we're gonna find it anywhere else, but okay.
Our first time at Creations.
I liked it. It's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, I miss Mouse Beard.
I don't know why they got rid of it.
Well, I mean, it's an updated version. Everything here is gonna be new.
Yeah.
The one that's near Test Track is kind of like because the original Mouse Beard used to be here.
Yeah,
When
that's
they were
true.
doing the construction.
Yeah.
They moved it there temporarily.
Yeah.
It was not supposed to be permanent.
Yeah.
I like it. It's
Yeah.
a big store. It has a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff obviously Walt Disney doesn't have.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
Different stuff.
Yeah, and there's no line. There's a line. Okay, don't get confused because we did.
Yeah.
There's a line outside of the store, and that's for Club Cool. And
Yeah.
it's, like horrendous.
Yeah.
Like it is so long.
It is. Maybe
Don't get me
later.
wrong, we want to go in there, but
Yeah.
we don't have the time. If you have the time, probably so worth
Yeah.
it. Especially if you haven't been in a while, or if you've never been there at all. To Club Cool, definitely go.
The Beverly is worth it.
Okay.
Well, maybe if we have time after Remy, we'll.
Maybe,
Yeah.
yeah, maybe. We just don't have time today
No.
to wait on that line, and we don't know how long it is.
No.
But we thought it was one line to get into Creations, and all of a sudden we started just seeing people walk in. I
Yeah.
was like, oh, we're on the wrong line. But yeah, I like this. Good replacement.
Yeah.
I
Very
like it.
good.
Yeah.
Nice, cool, clean.
Cool. You just like the air conditioning.
Yeah.
It is hot out. Yeah, so now I think we're in our window for Remy's.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're gonna head there.
Walk up that way.
Wow.
Oh my god. Look what we found.
And like the thing is that we were gonna go look for it and we didn't even have to look for it.
He's over here. I thought he would be near his ride, but
No, he's not.
he's right here. That's awesome. They're a lot bigger than you think.
They are, yeah, they are.
Okay, we're almost in France.
They are.
You ready?
I am, I'm excited.